GPower analysis for sample determination. So here you can see this is the GPower anti. So double click on it. Yes, this is the interface of GPower. You can see here file, edit, view, test, calculator, help. Okay, so what we have to do, first we have to explore the test family. You can see here this is the t-test, f-test, exact, chi-square test, z-test. These are the test family. And you can see here this is the statistical test. Which type of what type of statistical test we are going to test here. So you can see correlation point Weisel model, and then linear bivariate regression, one group size of slope, and other tests are here. What type of test we want to do here. And you can see here type of power analysis a priori, compute required sample size given alpha, power, and effect size. It means you can see if you click on it, then you'll be able to see compromise, compute implied alpha and power given beta divided by alpha ratio. Okay, so post hoc compute achieved power and then sensitivity. So for this, for now, we are just clicking on a priori compute required sample size with the alpha, power, and effect size. You can see here this is the information input parameters. You can see tail. There is tail 1, 2. What type of tail you want to choose for your study? Suppose it is by default it is showing 1, and then you can see here this is the effect size 0.3, and then alpha error probability 0.05, and then of course power is 1 beta. It means you can see here that if it is standard error is 0.05, then it will be power 0.95. If you are taking standard error is 0.01, then it will be 0.99. Okay, so now here you can see a priori we have choose the compute required sample size given alpha, power, and effect size, and all this are here. All this information is here. So you can see here, now you can see this is the calculate button. So first we have to calculate this. Just click on it. By default I have not chosen any other. Effect size you can choose from here also, and then alpha error probability you can do another 0.05 instead 0.05, you can give 0.01 also, and now power you can change all this information. Okay, so while I calculate this one, and then this information I am getting here, you can see non-centrality parameters, you can see 3.31, and then critical T 1.65, the degree of freedom was 109, and then the total sample size which we wanted for our research paper, that we want to determine our sample size by the help of GPower analysis. It means from where we get this information, this effect size, all this information we are getting from other previous studies, so that we can analyze that yes, we can choose for this kind of research study, we can choose effect size 0.3. It can vary for research studies. What type of research studies you are doing, on the basis of previous studies, we just analyze that yes, 0.3 we can accept for our study. Then you have to provide this information first, and then you can go for calculate, and then you can get the result total sample size. Now here you can see 111 sample size is showing here, and if you see this graph, then you can see the critical T is equal 1.65895, which is here. It is also showing here also, and this is the peak point, peak all the critical regions. All these things are showing here. So this is very helpful tool, GPower analysis, and then you can go for edit also. All this information you can get. Okay, so thank you so much to watch my video. So like my videos and share my videos also. Do like and subscribe my videos. So for other videos, please visit my channel. Thank you.